How do I call Ally Bank from abroad? Question: ever wondered how to reach Ally Bank when you're miles away from home? It's a question that many international travelers, expats, and remote workers face. In today's video, we'll break down the steps to calling Ally Bank from abroad, ensuring you can seamlessly manage your finances no matter where life takes you. Let's start by understanding the challenges you might encounter. Calling a US-based bank from overseas can sometimes be tricky due to different dialing codes, long-distance charges, and potential connection issues. But fear not, there are effective solutions to overcome these hurdles. Method 1. Using your mobile phone. One of the most straightforward ways to call Ally Bank from abroad is to use your mobile phone. Here's a step-by-step guide. Check your roaming plan. Before making the call, ensure your mobile plan includes international calling or roaming. If not, you might incur hefty charges. Consider purchasing a local SIM card or using a travel SIM with international calling rates. Dial the international access code. To connect to the international network, you will usually need to dial the international access code, which is typically +. Enter the United States country code. Next, input the country code for the United States, which is 1. Dial Ally Bank's customer service number. Finally, enter Ally Bank's customer service number. You can find this number on their website or by searching online. Method 2. Using a VoIP service. If you're looking for a more cost-effective option, consider using a Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) service. These services allow you to make international calls over the internet, often at much lower rates than traditional phone calls. Choose a reliable VoIP provider. Select a VoIP service that offers international calling to the United States. Popular options include Skype, Vonage, and Google Voice. Set up your account. Create an account with your chosen VoIP provider and ensure it's linked to a reliable internet connection. Dial Ally Bank's number. Use the VoIP app or platform to dial Ally Bank's customer service number. The dialing process should be similar to using your mobile phone. Method 3. Using a calling card. Another option is to use a calling card. These prepaid cards allow you to make international calls at discounted rates. Purchase a calling card. You can find calling cards at many convenience stores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Follow the instructions. The card will typically come with instructions on how to dial international numbers. Call Ally Bank. Dial Ally Bank's customer service number using the provided instructions. Additional tips. Consider time zone differences. Be mindful of the time zone difference between your location and the United States when calling Ally Bank. This will help you avoid calling during inconvenient hours. Have your account information ready. Before making the call, have your Ally Bank account number, PIN, and any other relevant information readily available. This will help expedite the process. Be patient. International calls can sometimes experience delays or connection issues. Be patient and try calling again if you encounter problems. Conclusion. Calling Ally Bank from abroad doesn't have to be a hassle. By following these methods and tips, you can easily connect with their customer service team and manage your finances effectively. Whether you're traveling, living overseas, or simply need to reach out to Ally Bank from a distance, these solutions will help you stay connected. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.